4,000 weeks. That's what we have on this earth. The average lifespan, 76, 75 years old. How many weeks do you have left on this land? Especially that is the average, so best case scenario. Some people are like sooner than that. Ladies and gentlemen, as much as we teach financial literacy and are going to achieve financial freedom, as much as you may see nice cars, nice clothes, nice whatever, let me be clear, money is worthless. You cannot take it with you. You have 4,000 weeks on this earth to enjoy yourself, for your hobbies, to spend time with family and friends, to pursue whatever it is that makes you happy. Money is simply a tool that allows you to do that. Every time, especially in your youth, every single time you go and spend money out to dinner, on a belt, on a new watch, whatever it is, you have to ask yourself, is that worth robbing you of your 4,000 weeks? Spending your time working to impress people that you don't care about, that ultimately don't care about you, and that you probably won't even speak to or know or be around in the next 5 or 10 years from now, makes no sense. We all have to work. We all have to generate income. What we do with that income can determine how we spend those 4,000 weeks. Purchase with purpose.